we go, real time. Here we go, real time, I said. Get rid of this money, this pesky money. All this money. Ugh, no wonder my car couldn't get moving. All this extra weight. And here we go, look. Just put this on the 4 bolts, 4 studs, and put the nuts on. Wires back on, adjust the wires, tension, test it, run through the gears. And we should be good as boys in this. Look at that. That's real time. You don't get any more real than that. These just slide into the same location. That, like that, and then we'll adjust these. You push these all the way in and turn them to the right to lock them in place. Okay. And then we'll push the cables all the way in to adjust a little bit of that slack that was on before. I'll adjust that out of it. That'll give me a little bit better feel. See, this here is going like that. That's neutral. Get them down. And then let these things grab them. Like so. And like so. Down snug. Make sure it's grabbing it nice. Alright, so now I'm going to test. Let's check the gears before we button her up. Here's neutral. Here's reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Neutral. Reverse. Like butter. Nice and notchy. That. Reverse, notchy. Swing it over first. Neutral. Second. Third. Straight back fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Function first, baby. Nice. Now, we take it for a test drive. Alright, guys. We're going to test out function first shift kit. I'm gonna let you guys listen to how it works, what it sounds like, what it looks like. Then I'll be quiet and let you observe. Very notchy. You know when you're in gear and you know when you're not. Here's neutral. Here's first. Second. Go straight back. I'll find a third. Second. 997 carriage and shift lever, and it does shorten the throw. It's a little different than the 996. The main reason I use the 997 is I couldn't find alignment tool for the 996. They don't make it anymore, and I couldn't find a used one, so I just went ahead and got a 997. All the way through. First, second. All the way through. First, second. Second, you do need to pull it towards you a little bit more than I used to have to, which is fine. It's just different. Second is the most notchy of all the gears. I don't know if that's a function of my transmission or what. But that's how it feels. I like it a lot. And I can't wait till I'm used to it, because it is different. It takes some getting used to. Once I get used to it, I think I'm going to have a lot of enjoyment. Hope you enjoy it. Hope this helps someone make their decision whether they want to try this or not. I recommend it. I like it, and I'm very happy that I got it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.